guys. Alis na naman kami.
Come on.
Yung bata. Dun sa
Come sit.
likod. Si Aya.
Come on.
Just leave. I'm gonna sit at the back. Just close the... Yeah. This is the garden. Nag-video ta ka? Pero hindi na pinakita kanya. Pwede man ta maglakaw-lakaw diri rot. Naman tayo kuan na amon tayo. Naamon tayo stroller. Mani ang mall nga doon sa amon. Malakaw ra. Iba na sad sa pananaw mo, is gay. Doon na ay maglakaw ra mong ganit ning mama.
You know what it is?
Yeah, it's in the... Mag-ano lang po kami, magpa-picture ni Santa. Santa. Darling, my bag. Can you grab my bag? Kinuha ng sister ko yung ano, my bag. Hi, Lucas! Oh, puting mo na. Oh, sis. Oh. Aya, go there, darling. Let's go there. Yeah, you can go that way. Ah, you can, or here. Aya, just here. Aya, come on. Dito tayo na. Pero pagbantay na, di na niya mamagtang. Dito sa puso ko. Yung batang to. I like your dress, Aya. Very nice dress. Come on, darling. Faster. It's 24 today. Hosting. I'm sorry. Ruth, come. Lucas! Come on, let's go. Come on, go, the Christmas tree. Christmas tree.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! Pascal's Jewelry. Ah, Santa Grotto, gift wrapping. Where's the Santa? Ah, come here, Aya. But we don't have $10. Aya. Ah, okay, it's here. Santa Ars. Ah, okay. Aya. Just line. Where's Aya?
Pasalin niyo.
Rod, line yan ka. Line yan. Punta tayo dito guys. All Christmas half price. So, pili tayo ng ano, hang Christmas at Mooncraft. Oops. Oh, pang Christmas. Very nice. Oh, no, ang ganda nito. Gusto ko to. that's nice. Ubus-ubusan na yung ano guys, kaya half price lahat. May hinahan. Yeah. Kaya ano na. Kasi half price na nila lahat. May hinahanap ako. Maybe other side. Maybe here. Bakit konti na lang yung Christmas decoration nila? Hindi katulad before ang dami. Ito yung gusto ko bilhin. Konti na lang guys. Andun yung dalawa kong pamangkin. Run, 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 run. Yan na guys. Yan. Diyan kami mag-picture. Lucas! So we're next na guys. We're next na. Aya, stop. Dito na si Steve Garden. Si Aya. So cute. Where's Lucas?
Hi.
No, you're not too.
Get free and check.
What would you like for Christmas? I can't hear you.
Come on, you guys are...
What would you like for Christmas?
So Aya's talking to the Santa.
Just you are.
So we're waiting for our picture, guys. Give it to... Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Come here, Aya. Let's go. Come here. So we're done, guys. Yay! I have a flower. I got a flower. I got a flower. Lucas kiat. Lucas kiat.
No.
Lucas kiat. So tapos na kami magpa-picture na Santa, guys. Can I see the photo?
Well, sit over to you and look at the photo.
Yeah, may flower ako, guys. Itong bata to.
No.
Kuha aday. Natagat ihatag niya aday. Kuha aday. Kay, tay kuha na ng bata. Langas kayo na. Andun yung Lucas! Awan na dahan kay pahumot. No. Here, oh. Kabayo. Kabayo, basa na jello.
Lagi basta na no.
Di mailhan na ako. Pilipino man na, day. Pilipino. Aya!
Padiri.
Kana rot Pilipino. Oh, coffee is life. It's so nice and yummy. Oh, laki ng Christmas tree. Aya! Oh, Christmas tree. Aya! Come here, darling. Lucas and Aya. Ganda ng tanawin, guys. Awa din, yun kayo din. Okay, Rabi, picture. Gusto ni Aya, guys. So, pina-change ko yung dalawang $1 ko kasi used to coin only. So, here you go. Hold, just hold, just hold. Hold. Wow. Did you hit? Just hold. Come on. Sus na ko, magsayang lang ta sa itong $2 kay mo likoy na. So we're here guys sa warehouse. We are here at the warehouse. May mga benta, Paw Patrol. Andito si Lucas, my sister. Si Steve Garden wearing Boracay t-shirt. Boracay Island. Wow, that's nice. How much that one? Wow. Ang laki nito guys, dito guys. Andito lahat guys, yung mga... Rot, punta tayo dito, Rot. Here, Rot, mga kitchen. I need stainless steel. Ang gamitin nyo guys, mga stainless steel talaga guys, kasi good yan. Uy, ukas. Wala na yung brand na gusto ko. Ay, sold out na guys. Yung Alcosel guys, sold out. Maganda yun na brand. Hi guys, andito na kami sa KFC. Dito lang kami magla-lunch guys. Lunch muna tayo. It's so early guys. It's 11 o'clock. Taco Bell sa likod. May McDonald's doon, may Subway dyan. Pero dito lang tayo kasi mas dito yung chicken. Okay, push sis. Wow.
Ako ni Dad.
Malapit lang to sa bahay namin guys. Malakad lang siya. So Taco Bell, masarap din siya.
Cellphone na ba si mong bag ha?
Sure ka? Let's go darling. Oh, tumakbo ang bata. Ando na sa loob. Sumayaw.
Atong nga ko yung siya.
Grab some bucket guys. So bucket. So hot. Paborito ko talaga to guys. Itong bread roll sa KFC. Ang sarap. Hindi pa masyadong busy because it's 11 o'clock. So later on, we're done eating. So we're so full. Pero hindi na ubos yung pagkain. May sobra pa dun. Busog na. Busog na kami. What's that? Okay, wait.